Yeah, good morning, everyone. As it's now the next day, and like I said, I was going to take a look out the window over here. I'm taking, come on now, flip. Taking, kind of peek through here a little ways. Well, there we go. That's the view out the window here. Gosh, actually overlooking the pool. Well, that's Las Vegas out there. There's an arena over there. I don't know the name or anything. I'm not familiar with Las Vegas, so yeah. Well, that's about does it. I'm actually about ready to go out the door now, because I've taken zip that up. I already got washed up. Ooh, I better not forget this. Okay. All right. Going to take and get ready to go. I'm gonna have to text my brother. He's in a different room and see what if he's ready to go yet. How long before he's ready? So that's gonna wrap this up for now. I'm going to take and get ready and talk to you later. I got one more thing I should probably show you what it looks like out here. Right outside the room here.
Yeah, I get it. Just looking at this.
There's a food court down there. They got Johnny Rockets is down there. There's something concerning the Titanic artifact exhibition. Must be in there. Back here, it kind of looks like buildings. Whereas this is the Luxor. It's kind of shaped like a pyramid. We're on the 12th floor here. So, anyways, that's what it looks like here. I'm going to move down a little bit further here. Yeah, it's a little further down here. 3 or 4 is down there. Okay, I'll head back to my room and then text my brother and see if he's ready yet. You just left the hotel now, the Luxor. That's it right in front of us. Decided I better
turn
have
right onto Luxor Drive, then turn right onto Mandalay Bay Road.
Get some footage of driving through Las Vegas here.
Turn left onto Allegiant Stadium Way, then turn left onto Al Davis Way. Take the next left onto Al Davis Way, then turn right onto Dean Martin Drive.
Allegiant Stadium. Oh, that's where the Raiders play.
Take the next right onto Dean Martin Drive.
That's the Las Vegas Strip.
Yeah. Blue Man Group over that direction. There's that big building over there.
Continue on Dean Martin Drive for 4 miles.
Goodwill Clearance Center there. Now look at all the trucks. Must be for sale.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Nevada 160 West Blue Diamond Road.
Oh, Bimbo Bakery's right there.
Turn right onto Nevada 160 West Blue Diamond Road. Continue for 56 miles.
Oh, a Jack in the Box. First time I've ever seen one of them in person. Oh, there's an In-N-Out. There we go, and we're out of Las Vegas.
There's a speed trap ahead.
Speed trap, yeah, okay. Wow. Got motorcycles all over the place here. Oh, there's the cop there. Wow, there's the keys. Let's see. Oh. Just thank you for visiting that town. On our way to Death Valley. Look at that out there. Brown. This is Death Valley Junction.
Is anything even open?
Take the next right onto California 127 North, then turn left onto California
Yeah, look at
190
that.
West.
No, it's
Margot's,
closed off.
Opera House. Yeah, there's nothing here.
Practically a ghost town? Yeah, that's all overgrown.
Yeah. We're taking a left here.
Take the next left onto California 190 West.
Nevada price is 7 miles north.
Continue on California 190 West for 41 miles.
41 miles. Yeah, we're in California now. There it is. Death Valley National Park. There's the sign. Huh. That's what it looks like around here. There, now we're in Death Valley. Well, Death Valley, the National Park.